Hi, Absar here, your dream home with zero brokerage. You are welcome with an elegant foyer. This is your living room, and here you have your dining. This kitchen is very spacious, which is designed with ample amount of storage. As you can see here, you have your cabinets. This is your kids' bedroom with attached washroom. This is your common washroom, and this side you have your guest bedroom. Here you have your walk-in wardrobe, and this is your master bedroom, which is elegantly designed